Hi guys, I'm walking through the neighborhood on a rather chilly San Diego morning. I was feeling a little nostalgic about all the small spaces that I've designed for family and friends through the years. And I thought I would put together a little retrospective so you guys can see that I'm a diehard serious small space nester here for you so that you can learn how to maximize every square inch of your own space. I know you can do it. This is my favorite apartment building in New York City. I lived there until I moved back to California. It's located in the financial district and it used to be a bank in the 1920s. But the apartment itself lacked a lot of architectural detail. And by painting these wide horizontal stripes, I was able to kind of fool the eye into believing the foyer was broader and more generous than its actual square footage. Even though the ceiling in the apartment was pretty high, the living room was on the snug side, so I chose a cool pewter dark gray color for the wall, and it gave the illusion that the walls were kind of receding and that the space was a little bit larger than it was. I decided to remove the door to the bedroom because it was in such an awkward position, and that gave me another 6 to 7 usable feet in that space. Okay. I want to tell you that this was done with love. And it's your birthday. So this is my birthday present to Beth. I want you to 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and take a look at my room. This is unbelievable. I love it.
I love it. It's gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Definitely the best birthday.
Time for cupcakes.
All right, definitely.
Let's go.
What kind of cupcakes?
Red velvet. So I found myself back at my hometown of San Diego, living in a little worn-down beach cottage that had a lot of potential but needed a lot of TLC, let me tell you. And also it was really odd that a lot of my New York furniture and heavy drapes did not fit the space, and all of that had to be reinvented because I was not going to be starting from scratch. There was no budget or time for that. But slowly but surely, I found my way and was really happy with all the tricks and tips of maximizing small spaces that I came up with, and that's what inspired my second book. I would say the most heartfelt and memorable renovations I've ever done was for my little niece. Her room was a little over 100 square feet, but it had to double as a guest room for our extended family. So the design had to be a little sophisticated with sweet touches. The cuckoo clocks above the bed were actually display pieces from an anthropology store. I asked if I could buy them. They said no because of store policy, but they would be happy to donate them. I added pieces of my father's tweed coat to some of the birds so that my niece would have memories of my father throughout her room.